Hi everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet bumblebee. So for this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in black, white and yellow, a 3.5mm hook, scissors, wool needle, stitch marker, stuffing and safety eyes and their backs. So starting off with part 1, the body. Starting with yellow wool, for round 1 you'll be doing 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll be doing 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, it's 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 4, it's 2 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 24 single crochets. For rounds 5 to 6, it's 24 single crochets all the way around. Then you'll change to black, and for rounds 7 to 8, it's another 24 single crochets all the way around. Then change back to yellow, and for rounds 9 to 10, it's another 24 single crochets all the way around. And you'll change back to black for one final time, and for rounds 11 to 12 you'll do 24 single crochets. Finally change to white, and for round 13 do another 24 single crochets all the way around. Then you will attach the eyes between rounds 3 and 4. And coming back with round 14, you'll be doing 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 15, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. Then you will pause here to stuff the body until it feels firm. And the final round, round 16, it's 6 decreases, leaving you with 6 single crochets. Then you will slip stitch and leave a long tail for sewing. Then using a wool needle, you'll sew up the hole in the body. Moving on to part 2, the wings and the antenna. Starting with the wings, using white wool, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Then for round 2 you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. Then you'll slip stitch and leave a long tail for sewing it onto the body, and remember to make 2 of these. Moving on to the antenna, using black wool, for round 1 you'll chain 4. Then for round 2 you'll do 3 single crochets. Then you'll fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing, and remember to make 2 of these as well. And for the final part, part 3, assembling the bee. Using the tails of the wings, attach them to the back. The best place I find is on the first set of black rows. Then using the tails of the antennas, attach them above the eyes. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.